Hey, and welcome back to this video. I am so excited because this is going to be just a lifestyle video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to organize your makeup. For example, I have a lot of makeup that I don't have any room for, and I told Sandy, I need a cabinet. I need something to really keep track of everything that I have, because I do a lot of content creation with these products, and I need something where I know exactly what I have and that I can keep track of. So you guys are going to be seeing a lot of makeup, and just keep in mind that a lot of this stuff gets sent to me. And I'm also going to be linking the cabinet that I got from IKEA in case you guys want to get it. If this video reaches 150 likes, I am going to keep doing a lot of lifestyle videos like this one. Okay, so now we're going to begin. So I wanted to share some golden rules with you that are just going to make your life so much easier. The main one when you start organizing is just to create clusters. I did eyeshadows with eyeshadows, everything that had to do with cheeks I did in one cluster, and that included contour, blushes, highlights. Then everything that had to do with the face, for example, foundations, primers, I separated those, and then everything like for my lips was in another cluster. The first thing that you need to know is that I organize this drawer based on what I use first. So I went for foundations,
So you say you want to change, but lately things have been the same. And it's my heart you're holding back.
Then I went on to baking powder, blushes, and the only reason why I didn't include my concealers here is because I have those in my vanity, and the same thing for my lipsticks and glosses. I have those in my vanity as well, and I can do a separate video on my vanity if you like. I tried pairing blushes, contours, and highlights. I tried pairing blushes with blushes, contours with contours, and highlights with highlights. And obviously the ones that have contours, highlights, and blushes in one, I put those together. And to be honest with you guys, I was amazed at how many cheek products I have. I also got an amazing baking powder that is a living filter. I then continued onto the eye area. I organized the palettes by size so that visually I can see everything that I have. What I love most about this cabinet is that it's very narrow, but at the same time, the drawers are very deep and they hold so much stuff. I'm able to pile a lot of things in them, and they work great. My room is not that spacious, so this cabinet was just perfect.
Baby, it's now or never. Gotta leave this town, and I know what you're asking for.
First, I like to put everything into the drawer, and once I'm finished, I like to organize by shade and size, and you guys are going to see that at the very end. And I do this last because it's going to save you a lot of time, whereas if you're just like putting stuff together by color, by size, it's just going to take you more time because you're adding more things in. In this drawer, I have lip care products and other products that I have yet to use. Like I told you guys, I have a separate drawer in my vanity dedicated just to glosses and lipsticks, which I can show you in another video.
But I can't pretend no more, 'cause for as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream keeps me alive.
So in this drawer, I added products that I've received, and in the last one, I stored products that I have to create content for, and I can't show you anything yet. This drawer section holds nail and eye products like lashes and nail polishes. I also stored a mascara that I haven't used in there so that I know that it's there. With this system, everything has a home and I know exactly where to look when I need something. I really hope you learned from this video. I take great pride in being clean and organized because I believe that it helps you accomplish so many things. It gives you so much creativity and productivity, and there's always such a calm vibe in your home when it's clean and organized. So in this last step, I'm going to show you guys how I organize everything by size and by color. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram because there you can get little insights of what my videos are going to be. And I also post amazing content every day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.